Okay, this is a Broadway Casino area. I'm just gonna go straight down this way. Go check out the road. Okay, I'm the content creator for this channel. If you like what I'm doing, just subscribe and hit the like button. So we're gonna just go straight down this way. This is a Broadway Casino area. So as you can see, this is the exit and the hotel. You got some other stuff here. I'm gonna go straight down. So yeah, this is right now it's at this time of day there's not many people at this time of day, but later it'll be more crowded probably. So we're just gonna kind of show what it looks like a little bit. Let's see here. It's kind of pretty quiet. I think it's also COVID era too, so it's not really that. We're gonna go all the way to the... Hardly anybody around today. Just kind of see a little bit. It's Katong Casino.
Chiquinha, chiquinha, toma cuidado la porquería.